guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today I am going to show you how to pay your HST owing. So this is assuming that you already filed your HST return, you just want to pay it. So if you are looking for a video on how to file your HST return, that's a different video that I made and I'll link that down below, so go watch that first. So this video is after you already filed, you want to pay your amount owing. So as you can see on the right, this is a real HST return. I've just blurred out all the details. And then you can see on line 115, there's an amount owing of $815.73. So how are we going to pay that? There are two ways to pay it. One is through the CRA Make a Payment page, which is this page on the left. Don't worry, this will be linked down below as well. And then the other way to do it is to go through a third-party provider like PaySimply. So PaySimply will allow you to pay via credit card or PayPal or e-transfer, while this CRA Make a Payment only really allows you to pay with Visa Debit, MasterCard, or Interac Online. So I'm going to show you how to do it with PaySimply, since this is more, I think, more of what people will choose. Most people like to pay via credit card. So let's go to the first page. So once you're here, just click Canada Revenue Agency. We would like to pay business taxes, GST, HST, and then payment on filing. And then we are just going to put an email address over here. So as you can see, it's asking for a business number over here. This is what you should use. So you put your business number plus RT0001. So that's what we're gonna do here. This RT0001, and then the business name. So let's say ABC Company Inc. And then the end of period is the end date of the reporting period over here. So you can see it says 2022-06-30. So we're just going to copy that, 2022-06-30. And then here in the payment amount, we are going to put $815.73. And then after that, just click continue. And then it will ask you how you want to pay. Again, this is the only one that allows you to pay via PayPal or credit card. So a lot of people like to use this one. So let's say that we are going to use our credit card, and then enter your credit card details, and then just keep going through the process. And then that would be how you would make a payment to the CRA. So if you guys have any questions, please comment them down below. But once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.